Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update. Today's Friday, February 7th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had 5 trades today, 1 losing trade, a couple of decent winners, 1 really nice winner, 1 small winner, or a break even. I'm going to run through everything here from left to right. First trade we had was a power play / S play. That was on the 1027 candle. 33, 32, 50, 75. And the target was 35.75. First target, it did end up going higher, but we just chopped around for a long time. So I made up to about 3 points or so. Not a bad trade. Our second S play we took at the top here. I tell everybody we do have to be careful because it's 11:30 and we get some markets that are closing. People take profits, things like that. But I really thought that they could try to get this thing up higher. That was an S play. That was our stop out. A couple, 2, 3 candles that just got stopped out. We had a short in the NQ power play. Made up to about 10 ticks, or a break even. Again, if somebody tried to hold, they moved their stop down, they would have had a break even on that trade or small profits. We then hit a advanced understanding trade. 24 went down to about 1875. Almost 20 ticks on that trade, and we knew that that was a hot level, the 20 level, but we had room to get into a free trade, made up to 15 to 20 ticks. Again, market was down, but short-term trend was up, could have went either way, and I told everybody that this is going to be probably the turning point for at least the time we were in the room, which it was. It went up and, kind of stayed up there all the way till after lunch. So we got up to 20. Move your stop down. That's it. And when it came back up here, this NASDAQ trade was took after this ES. Told everybody that I actually said when we were in this, it could even come back further, and I said we would get in it again if it didn't work out for us up here. So everybody knew this was kind of aggressive. Instead of calling it down here in the ES when it came down, I called it in the NASDAQ, and I called the price of 42. It was a sick call. Took about 2 ticks of heat. 1 tick of heat really because of getting filled, but just went straight up. First target was 55. I said if they got above 55 they'd try to go 61, 62. It's exactly what happened. They made it up to 63. It was just a great trade. From 42, it made over 80 ticks. Now again, not everybody got 80 ticks on it. But again, you can see, if you had a runner or two, you have a great opportunity to hold something and have follow through. Again, you're not going to get follow through on everything. This one made up to 3 points. Once it got going, this made 20 ticks. So it's Friday. But we did okay. We're going to come back on Monday. We're going to do it all over again. Have a great weekend. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and we'll see everybody back. Bye, traders.